Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by establishing control. Keep the muzzle pointed in a safe direction and your finger off the trigger. Remove the magazine, then lock the slide back so you can see the chamber. Once done, inspect visually and physically, look and feel for a cartridge. Make sure to verify unloaded status twice, because redundant checks catch mistakes, and treat the Glock as loaded until you have confirmed otherwise. You need to understand how a Glock secures itself. There is no external safety. The trigger safety and internal safeties prevent discharge unless the trigger is depressed fully. When you need to verify a chambered round, perform a controlled press check while maintaining muzzle discipline. Once done, support the frame when manipulating the slide so the pistol stays steady. This reduces accidental muzzle movement and helps you maintain. You finish by performing a safe function check. With chamber empty, dry fire to confirm trigger engagement and reset, then verify slide lock and magazine release function. Once satisfied, secure the Glock using a cable or trigger lock and place it in a locked safe for storage. If anything feels abnormal, gritty trigger, failure to lock back, or unusual resistance, stop handling the firearm and consult a qualified gunsmith or armorer immediately for troubleshooting and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.